Good morning, primary 4. Our lesson today is approximating. Okay, so what's the meaning of approximating? If we have line like this, okay, and have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and want to know number 3 is nearest to 0 or nearest to 10. So I will count the steps between 3 and 0 and count the steps between 3 and 10 and compare between two steps. So we have here 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I find the 3 is nearest to 0. Okay, and if I have 7. Okay, so let's to have here all to count the steps between 7 and 0 and steps between 7 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and steps between 7 and 10. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I find this 7 is nearest to 10. I have here poor numbers and rich number. Poor number it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All numbers are nearest to 0. And we have also rich number. Rich number is numbers is nearest to 10, like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if I have 4, I want to know which number is nearest to 4, 0 or 10. So I will find 4 is nearest to 0. Okay, in math we call this relation as approximating, okay, or approximately equal. So 4 approximately equal 0. Okay, it's nearest to 0. And 8 approximately equal or nearest to 10 because 8 is nearest to 10 in line. Okay, the approximating or approximating to the nearest 10. Okay, the meaning of approximating in our words, okay, or in our life. If the distance between Cairo and Aswan is 895 kilometer, okay, so then we say that the distance between Cairo and Aswan is approximately 900 kilometer. Okay, example, when a boy is 7 years and 10 months old, he say that he is approximately or nearest to have 8 years old. Okay, remark, approximating means replacing the exact number by another similar numbers near to the exact number. Okay, so if I have number and I want to find the number, approximate it or nearest to this number. Okay, like here, approximate to the nearest 10. If we determine the position of the number 22 and 27 and 25 on the following number line, we will find this. 22 is nearest to be 20. 25 is in the middle. 27 is nearest to be 30. Okay? From this example, we find this. If I want to approximate the number to nearest 10, okay, so I will look at two units, okay, and we'll look at this units. If this unit's poor number, okay, so it will be 0. And if unit number or unit digit is rich number, it will be 0 and make plus 1 to the 10th number or 10th place. Okay, let's see examples to in the slides we find example approximating each of the following number to the nearest 10. So I have here 514. Okay, to approximate this number to nearest 10, okay, I will look at two units, unit digits. Unit digit here is 4. 4 is poor number, so it will be replaced by 0. So it will be 510. Here we have 28. 28 and 8 is happy number or rich number, so it will be replaced by 0 and give to 1. It will be 30. In this example, we have 3, okay, 3 alone. So I do it, or I make 0 here, okay, I put 0 here to make it as units and tens. Tenths is 0 and units is 3. 3 is the poor number, so it will be approximate to 0. Here I have 543 and quarter. Okay, to approximate this number, I will look at 2 units. Okay, unit digit. Unit digit is 3. So I will cancel 3 and put as 0 because it's a poor number. Here I have 1111. Let's to look at units. Units is 1. 1 is a poor number, so it will be replaced by 0 only. We have here choose the correct answer. Approximated to the nearest 10 to 200. Okay, these questions mean which number of these numbers, if we approximate it to nearest 10, the result will be 200. Okay, so we find this 208. It will be approximate to be 210. 199.1 will approximate to be 200. So its results 199. We look at 2 9. 9 is happy number or rich number. Rich number give 9 1, so it will be 200. Here this number 999.9 approximated to the nearest 10. So I will look at here. So we will find this 9 is a happy number or rich number, so it will give 1 here and 1 here. It will be 1000. Second example, we have here 953.4 approximated to the nearest 10. So I will look at 2 units digit. Unit digit here is 3. 3 is a poor number, so it will cancel and put 0. So my result will be 915. 6 approximated to the nearest 10 is 6. So I will put 0 before 6 because it's 10. So I have here units and tens. Look at 2 units. I find this it's 6. 6 is a rich number or happy number. Give 1 to its previous number or tenth number and make it as a 0. So result is 10. Approximating to the nearest hundreds or the nearest thousand. Okay, when approximating to the nearest hundreds, the result is perfect numbers or perfect hundreds as 700, 900, 5000 and 100. When approximating to the nearest thousand, the result is perfect thousands. Okay, as 9000, 1000, 2000, 1000, 14,000. So how to solve these problems? If I want to approximate to the nearest 10, I will look at 2 tens. Okay, so I have here unit, tens, hundreds. Okay, so I want to approximate to nearest 100, so I will look at 2 number before it. So I will find this 4. 4 is poor number, so it's cancelled and put 2 zeros. I have here 2009 and want to it by 100, so unit tens 100. I want 2 0 here. Okay, I will look at to the tenth number. It's 0, so 0 it's approximate to 0, so it will be 2000. I have here 999. So I will look at unit tens. I will look at 2 tens here. So tens is 9. It's a rich number. Give the other number or give thousand number 1. It will be 1000. I have here 64.9. Okay, so I will look at 2 tens. It's 6, and I have no 100 here, so I will put 0. So 6 is a rich number. It will be replaced by 0 and plus 1 to 100. It will be 100. 4.987. Okay, 4 it's unit and we have here unit, tens, hundred. Tens is 0 and hundreds is 0, so result is 0. We have here 99 unit tens, and I don't have any hundreds, so I put 0. 9 is a happy number or rich number. Give 0 1, so it will be 100. Here, and try it these examples by yourself. Approximate each of the following number to the nearest thousand. Nearest thousand, okay, to find this thousand here and look at the hundreds number before it. We have here unit, tens, hundreds, okay. Hundreds is 4. 4 is a poor number, so it will be replaced by zeros. Here we have 8,532 approximating to 1,000. Okay, so we will look at 200. Hundreds is 5, so 5 is a rich number. We'll give this number previous it or number after it 1, so it will be 9,000. Okay, and try to these examples by yourself. Approximating to the nearest 10,000 or to the nearest 100,000. Okay, so if the thousand digit is less than 5, okay, or it's poor number, then replace every digit to the right to the 10,000 place by 0 and keep the other digits like here. Okay, if I want to approximate to the nearest 10,000, okay, here, so I will look at 2 unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 10,000 is 2, and I will look at the number after or before it. It's 4. 4 is a poor number, so it will be replaced by zeros. Okay, let's solve examples. Approximate each of the following number to the nearest 10,000. Okay, so I will find this unit, tens, 100,000. I have no 10,000 here, so I will put 0. Okay, and I will look at number after or before zeros is 9. 9 is a rich number, will be replaced by 0 and give the numbers is 1, so it will be 10,000. I have here this number, so I will look at 2 unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and I will look at 2. 2 here is a poor number, so it will be replaced by zeros. In this example, we have unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 here is 3, and I will look at 2,000. It's 5. 5 is a rich number. Rich number, it's give 3 1 and replace it by 0, so it will be 40,000. Okay, second example, I have here this number, unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So 10,000 is 3, and I will look at 2, 8. 8 is a rich number. Rich number give 3 1 and replace it by zeros, so it will be 40,000. Number E, it's 2, 6. So unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 is 5, and I will look at 2, 0. 0 is a poor number, so poor number is replaced to 0. Number 2, approximate each of the following numbers to the nearest 100,000. So I have here unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 is 9, and I will look at 10,000. Number before it, 7. 7 is a rich number, so it will give 1 to 9 and replace it by 0, so it will be like this, 1 million. Here unit, tens, 100,000. Okay, so I have no 10,000 and 100,000. I will put these zeros. Okay, so I look at this 0 and search. This 0 is poor number, so it will be zeros. Here unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 1 is 100,000, and I will look at 2. 10,000, it's 9. 9 is poor number, so 9 is rich number. Rich number give 1 true number, so it will be 2 and 20,000. Okay. Look at this number we have here. In this example, we have unit, tens, hundreds, and I have no thousand, 10,000, 100,000. It's 0, so my result is zeros. Number E, we have here unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Stop here in 4. 4 and look at 3. 3 is a poor number, so it will be replaced by zeros. All numbers replaced by zeros. Okay. Choose the correct answer. We have here he wants this number to nearest to 100,000. Okay, so unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 4 is 100,000, and I will look at 2. 1. 1 is poor number, so it's really replaced by zeros. It's 400,000. Here want to the nearest 10,000. Okay, so we have here unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 1 is 10,000, so I will look at 1,000 is 5. 5 is a happy number or rich number. Rich number. Okay, so rich number will be replaced by 0 and give 1 to 10,000. So it will be 20,000. Okay. So we are finished this class today. Okay, bye bye.